Hi guys, I am Isha Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author and a writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her book, which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, and Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of our titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is ASHASHAH. Guys, my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, which targets each and every age group of people, and I am providing short review of her third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief. If so, be kind and take time to reflect on what the next step is. It may not be the time to implement changes, or it may be time to start taking actions to come into alignment. There is no right or wrong here. It's about becoming true to yourself. In the midst of difficulty, my curiosity is piqued, and I aim the lens of self inquiry into the center of my deepest fears. I give myself permission to feel exactly what I feel, to be just as I am. And in that self acceptance, I find energy, awareness, and 1,000 gifts. I never guessed were with me all along. Being present and self acceptance go hand in hand. When we are not fully aware of our negative thoughts and feelings, then we tend to believe that there is something wrong with us. Taking time to be fully present with what we are thinking and feeling in that moment is the gateway to self acceptance and all the gifts beyond. I have noticed that a lot of people are in a bit of a funk right now. Perhaps you are also lacking some energy, motivation, and a direction. Remember that we are connected to nature and its seasons. There is nothing wrong. This is a time for nourishing and replenishing before the seeds of spring start to sprout and inspire us to new growth. So embrace this time by taking time for yourself and allowing yourself to simply be. Step back and listen to your deeper wisdom in preparation for new growth that will surely come. It is how the inner organ of being keeps pumping, even when the other organs being sting. Some say this makes us a sorry lot that we never learn lessons of our life. But to me, it holds the same beauty as berries breaking through ice and snow every spring. It is what quietly feeds the world. After all, the berries do not have any sense of purpose or charity. Berries are not altruistic or self sacrificing. Berries simply grow to be delicious because that is what they do. When we tune into our essence, we know that this is what we do. Be true to yourself. Do not hold on too hard. Nothing is permanent. Do not allow too much. Worrying too much is a waste. Do not worry too much. Worrying too much is a waste of time. I slept and dreamed that life was joy. I woke and saw that life was service. I acted, and behold, service was joy. Instead of searching for joy from what the world can give you, turn it around and give your services to the world. Okay, guys, I own nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading this beautiful book. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moment of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.